Congratulations on your decision to start a Florida real estate career. This is the course that is required. Number one, you're going to want to enroll as soon as you can because the space is limited in these classes. But more importantly, as soon as you enroll, you're going to get access to your digital materials for this course. So essential because that provides companion information. If you want to expedite the licensing process, absolutely get started with this ahead of time. Digital materials is there to guide you through this process. As soon as you enroll, you'll have immediate access to get started through the licensing process to better prepare you for the information you're about to go into. It also has extended demos of any of the exam prep tools. Of course, there's also the course textbook that you'll be following along with going through this material, but that textbook has a lot of information in there that goes hand in hand with your digital materials. So you get access to it now, start the licensing process, start getting through the course, take advantage of the promo we have right now, better prepare yourself for the exam, and make this a seamless, easy process. Get enrolled, and we'll see you in the class.